Like I said yesterday, can we talk? Yes. And I call on government and I call on every party responsible. This is the time to have a talk about Nigeria again. There are a lot of things that are not right. The country needs to be looked at again at reorganization. Different regions should be able to lead the way on how the economic prosperity should stand. Things I don't like. I don't see any reason why I collect VAT for people buying and drinking alcohol here, and the same VAT is given to somebody in Kano that doesn't believe in alcohol. These are the things I want to have a conversation about. That's what I want. We want to have those conversations about how the country should be run. Regions should be able to generate their wealth and use their wealth for them. Is this system working? Hell no. Hell no. So power should be devolved. That's the conversation we should put on the table. And the earlier we have it, the better it is for all of us. Should we have a conversation? Yes. Should we reorganize, restructure, rejig anything? Yes. Should the constitution be more robust and inclusive? Yes.